Hey there, we'll continue video. In this video we're going to talk about gate. So gate allows us to affect the sound in almost the opposite way of a compressor. So it acts like, it behaves like a sort of expander, but more drastically. So we have this kick, and now we will see how it behaves, and I will show you all the parameters. So we have the threshold. So threshold is really important because it has a heavier effect than it has on the compressor. So if I set my threshold 0, I can barely hear the kick. If I bring it down, I hear the kick more and more, and it's just cutting everything that's below the threshold. So it's not making it actually, it's not stretching it, it's just making it shorter, tighter. Then we have the return, and it sets the difference between the threshold level that opens the gate and the level that closes it. So it's a sort of knee value for the gate. Then we have the flip, which basically flips the sounds. It's not acting like a limiter, it's just muting everything that is going over the threshold. Then we have the look ahead, then we have the attack. This is really important. We also have the hold value, which is really important for this effect, because we can rely just on the threshold, the attack and release, because we are going to cut a lot. So we want to make sure we are letting pass all the content we need. Also we have the release. And then we have the floor, so the amount of attenuation when the gate is closed. So at -infinite, a closed gate will mute the input signal completely. At 0 dB, the effect will be bypassed. So it sets how deep the gain reduction will go. So we also have this sidechain module. It behaves like in the compressor and in any other thing, and we can control the gate with another sound. We can demonstrate it here. So let's say I have this sound. Okay, but I want to make some special thing, so let's duplicate it, and I want to sidechain the gate to this kick. So let's see how it sounds. So this is a cool effect, and this is it for this video. Gate is really simple. You just have to get a grasp on how threshold, floor and return work. You can also use it for actual pumping, for really accurate pumping. You can make you can make the bass and the kick fitting together, because as soon one stops playing, the other one comes out instead of the sidechain compression, which is a different concept. So you can explore it. Maybe I'll just show you right now. So if we flip it, so it's different. I can put it into words, but it just make them fit like a sort of puzzle. It just allows the bass to fill the space that is not occupied by the kick, instead of attenuating it depending on where it sounds or not. This is it for this video. See you in the next one.